Let's take a look at binary addition, adding in base 2. As we have discussed, binary can only represent two digits, 0 and 1, so there are certain rules that we follow when adding, but it's just the same as adding in binary. Binary addition. So tichatanga nekuadd the rightmost column where we have 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 tikaedda tinoona 2. 2 divided by 2 tinoona 1 remainder 0. Tonyora 0 wedu, then we carry our 1. Then again for the next column 1 plus 0 plus 1 watakera tinoona 2. Tikadivide na 2 tinoona 1 remainder 0. We write our remainder and carry our 1. Again 0 plus 1 the carry, we get 2 divided by 2, we get 1 remainder 0. Tonyora remainder edu 0. Then we proceed to the next column. 1 plus 1 plus 1 tinoona 3. 3 divided by 2 tinoona 1 remainder 1. First we write our remainder, then tonyora carry wedu where. Then we are done with all the columns. So our answer, we get 1100 base 2.